Whoa, you guys are not going to believe what I found. I went into the park. I went on a nice walk in the park today on the trail, and all of a sudden, I was just walking, and what do I find? All of a sudden, a white particle, a white substance. Oh, wait a second. Is that a pair of It is. That's a pair of sneakers. That's a Nike Air Force 1. What in the world are those doing here? These are trashed, obliterated. Let's clean these up. These need to be restored big time. These Air Force 1s are absolutely gross. I don't know who would do this to their sneakers. They're absolutely disgusting, but I know we're going to be able to bring them back. There is dirt in the sneaker. It's feeling a little heavy. What in the world? There's dirt, and what is this? What is that? Is that a worm? That's a worm. That is a worm. What is a worm doing inside the shoe? A worm? That is crazy. That is crazy. I'm going to put that back down. As a matter of fact, let's go outside and let me go put that back where it belongs, out in the wilderness. It does not belong in these Nike Air Force 1s. I'm going to start off by brushing off the dirt with this brush. There's a lot of loose dirt, so this brush will definitely loosen up the dirt, get rid of all that loose dirt on the sneaker. Now I'm going to remove the laces, and these laces are absolutely disgusting. They were white, no longer white. I'm going to dip the laces into the solution of sneaker cleaner and laundry detergent, and now I really need to brush these laces. I got to brush them because the dirt and grime is really in the laces. I got to turn these laces back to white, so I'm going to put them back into the water and just keep scrubbing these laces. We got to get these laces back to pure white. There we go. These laces looking much better. Now, let's start the cleaning process. For this cleaning, I'll be using FZ150 by the Shoe Doc. I'm just going to spray a hefty amount of foam because these are absolutely disgusting. And let's get scrubbing. Scrub, scrub, scrub. These need a really good scrubbing. Absolutely. That toe box is disgusting. The stitching, just everywhere throughout the entire sneaker, needs a really good scrub. I am putting more FZ150 because these are obliterated. They need it. I did not want to use sneaker cleaner for this. I really prefer to use maybe some dish soap or something that everyone has at home, but these were really bad and needed the sneaker cleaner desperately. After the first wipe down, looking much better, but we do have a bunch of spots we still have to hit, including the bottom. Back to scrubbing. I feel like I'm always cleaning sneakers lately, but here we are, cleaning them up. We got to get that stitching back to white. The stitching is the hardest thing to do, but we're going to take care of the stitching later on. You can see how dirty this tongue is, but take a look at the cleaner. Watch how pretty good the FZ150 is. I must say, it's a pretty good sneaker cleaner. This video is not sponsored by FZ150 or anything, but I like the cleaner. It's a good cleaner. Now for the back, that Nike Air is black. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be white, but that stitching is really, really dirty. Got to really dig in there. Get those brushes really digging into the dirt and grime on the back of the Nike Air with the stitching. When I see the foam, I know I'm in my zone, just like the Shoe Doc says. Now I have to get the inside because that sock liner is disgusting. It's supposed to be white, but it is not white. So we got to really, really scrub this. This is going to take some time. And while I'm in there, I might as well hit the insole. The insole is very easy to clean, I must say. Insoles are usually pretty easy to clean. Just scrub it, scrub it, scrub it, and give it a nice wipe down. I did have to hit the insole again. It was really bad. I went back to the sock liner because that sock liner is atrocious. This sock liner is bad. A white sock liner getting black like this is not a fun thing to restore and clean. I'm using the harder brush on the bottom, scrub that bottom, turn that bottom back to brand new white. Now for the stitching, we got to turn the stitching back to white. So I'm going to use this cream. I'll have a link for it down below in the description. And just take a Q-tip and just go back and forth and get rid of all the black stitching and turn it back to white. And these Air Force Ones are back to brand new.